All right, this video is to show you how to change the battery in your Black Diamond headlamp. It's really simple. You're just going to need 4 AAA batteries. I'll put a link to those in the description. Also, it might be helpful to have a flathead screwdriver just to pry out a couple of the old batteries. You're going to flip the light upside down, or flip the back up just like that. You'll see the tab here. Going to pull the tab up and it just lifts right off. You'll see your 4 AAA batteries. The first 2, really easy to remove. The other 2, you might need to get a little screwdriver in there. Help pry those out unless you got some good fingernails. All right, once you get those out, we're going to take the new batteries, making sure to put them in properly. You can see the plus sign over here. So we're going to put the positive end of this battery like that. Positive ends on this side this time, just like that. Then we got a positive end up top and the opposite positive end on the other side, just like that. Then we're going to fold this door right back on top of these batteries like so. It just clips right back into place just like you took it off. Now you see over here on the side when we turn it on, you'll see those LEDs, the 4 or the 3 lights right here. The fact that those are all lit up means you're full power and you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.